What is the purpose of a lawn roller? Want to give your lawn that smooth, even look? Then a lawn roller is for you. These unusual tools look like small sail steamrollers and can be pushed manually or attached to a small lawn tractor. Seeding. Clear out the area to be seeded of twigs, stones and other things, and rake out any dead grass. Then roll the area to be seeded to flatten out the soil. Post-seeding. After you have scattered your seeds, roll the lawn again to make sure the seeds take. Sod. After you've laid your sod, roll it to ensure the sod's roots take in the soil below. Rolling mow. Rolling your lawn before mowing will ensure a more even cut. Lawn maintenance. Regularly rolling your lawn will give you the smooth look of a green carpet.